I've been saving up my calories today and I've got over 1,000 left, all ready for pizza porn. Guess what I got? A smoothie. Strawberries and bananas. Yummers. Well, this is quite exciting. I think I've found a manual setting on my camera. I've only had it 3 months, and I've had it accidentally in auto the whole time. So now I've found the manual setting, and now I can play a lot more with all the functions. Happy days. And with this jazzy new camera stuff, I found an easier way to get changed in the morning. How awesome's that? Ready? Legend. Back from the gym and I am so hungry. And so we've got another wrap. I'm going to quickly chuck this in my mouth. Wrap. Today we've got barbecue smokehouse. Pleasant. I've been saving up my calories today and I've got over 1,000 left, all ready for pizza porn. That is good. So good. I don't think this is even dark chocolate, but looks good. Oh my gosh, that's not dark chocolate. That's incredible. You can have a whole bar if you like.